here, it's a longer bulk ferment. And all a fold is you take the dough, actually, I'll take it out of the bowl so you can see. I know the baguette recipe, I think you have to fold it. But this is the bagel. I don't think, yeah, the bagel has no fold. A fold is like you press it down, fold, 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 and fold. That's how you fold. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you let it bulk ferment again.
That's it? Just
That's it. That's one fold. Sometimes the recipe will say 3 hours bulk ferment with 2 folds. So if it's 3 hours, I'll set the timer. After 1 hour, I will fold. Let it sit, bulk ferment another hour. I will fold. And then the last, that's only 2 folds. 3 hours. So the next step, after I bulk ferment,